Sultan starts video with Olamide as his first project for 2016.
She will always present me, and she know I didn't share me, 'cause I want all of them near me. Everything is everything, everything is everything.
Niger Ninja boss Sultan has made his intention known to his fans on which footing he intends setting year 2016 rolling. In his interview with HipTv, he made it known that his video with YBNL boss Olamide would usher other projects in come 2016.
I'm dropping my new video. It's called Monsura featuring Olamide. So that'll be the first thing you hear this new year.
I want blessing, and I want joy, and I want grace.